OpenAI went open source and released two models called GPT OSS. In this video, we're going to see how you can use these models in N8N for free without paying extra, so you will not have to pay any more for AI models, especially like the OpenAI's API. So, hi, I'm Hisham. I'm building this channel for AI automations for businesses, and I'm basically trying to record a video a day to get to 1,000 subscribers, the 1,000 true fans thing, and we are at 223. So thank you for everyone who's watching. So let's get straight into it. So OpenAI went open source. I don't know why, to be honest. And I mean, they called their models GPT OSS. It stands for Open Source Software, and they have two models. One is 120 billion parameters and 20 billion parameters. I think we can see it here, introducing GPT OSS. And this is in French. Is there a way to go under it in English? Yeah. Oh shit. But yeah, anyways, it's a model, like two models, which are available for anyone to use, and they are also equipped with thinking, like thought process, like chain of thought. And I tried it very, very quickly. It seems pretty nice, to be honest. And the thought process is actually like shown in the API response. So this is very cool, and it's performing. And as you can see here, I think they did a math competition with the latest models and compared it to O3 and O3 Mini, and it seems doing pretty well, to be honest. And I wouldn't think these models you would see any difference in the performance because you're uh, gonna mainly use it in some specific use cases. And in our use case today, it's gonna be an AI agent in N8N. And why even use it? So the purpose of this is just to save costs on API. I mean, this is debatable to be honest, because the OpenAI models right now are very, very cheap. Like they are dirt cheap, especially like the GPT 4.1, enriching 1,000 leads for less than $2, and it's insane how much cheap they have become. But yeah, anyways, you can always optimize and cut the costs for AI, even self-hosted for yourself if you're self-aware for the AI thing and you need to self-host it for you or one of your clients. So this can be done. So I'll show you two ways on how to do it. The first way is gonna be one self-hostable way, which I'm not gonna finish up until the like last part. I'll just show you how to do it. And the second part, which will be like a Groq. Groq is like a inference provider, which is like a LLM provider. And that's it. It's just like new models from OpenAI. We're gonna test it. We're gonna see how it performs, and I'll leave in the description like the link for the AI agent that I built, and you can play with it. Let's get straight into it. So the first method is, or first way, there is what we call Hugging Face. For you folks that do not know what is Hugging Face, this is the AI community building the future. Yeah. In a gist, they host every single model that exists of LLMs on Earth here. I mean, not everything, but a lot of models exist here, especially for data scientists, AI engineers, etc. That this is like their little platform, and you can grab models and you can self-host them from this, and you can always also use it from the API. So here there is the, I mean, once you go to models, and there is OpenAI GPT OSS, and there's the 20 billion version and 120 billion version. As you can see, it's already self-hosted, and you can even test it in here. Hi there. Oh, I need to connect and log in just a second. So, yeah. Let's test it out. Hi there. Let me just zoom in. It has also reasoning. We need to respond as ChatGPT following OpenAI policies. The user just says hi there, so just respond friendly. I mean, this is pretty scary to see the AI think, but yeah, that's about it. So the inference model is available here, and for this first method to actually use this model, like the 120 billion, you just go and click on deploy, and you click on inference providers. There's a lot of ways to deploy it, but for using it in N8N or Make.com or any automation tool, you just click on inference provider, and you have here the different providers. I mean, you can choose anything to be honest, and you can even choose like click on auto and just let it run. You go here and curl, or you can use it on in Python, JavaScript, and curl. And this curl command is what's needed to actually like make it happen. So what you're gonna do is just copy this. And by the way, you need like a Hugging Face token. You can check out the quick links on how to get the this token. It's on the settings. You need to create an API key that needs to be in read, and you just grab it and use it. So let's go straight into N8N, like my self-hosted instance, and I've actually created a workflow this morning. This is called GPT OSS. I've created like two ways. The first way, there's my API key here, and I don't want to go ahead and show it. So I'll leave it there. So I'll just show you on how to actually use it uh, with the API, with the HTTP request. You just go and grab a node, which is the API call. This is the API call. You just click on import curl. You paste the command here. You just click on import, and voila, you delete everything from here, and you put your API token. It starts just like this. There's a bunch of words, and then you click on execute setup, and it will launch itself using the model, just like that. And you can, by the way, swap this out to also 20B to use the other model. So you just like change the type of link to the model, OpenAI slash GPT OSS. You can even use GPT-2 if you want. So yeah, that's how to use it. And the second method is using the inference provider called Groq, which is known to provide free API, free AI models. Like there is a free tier that is available to anyone who wants to, well, use this. So you go into Groq, and the steps are simple. Like you sign up to Groq, create an API key, and we'll see how to do that. So you go and click on Start Building, and you just click on API keys. Yeah, just click on API keys. You select on Create API key, and here I have my own API key, as you can see. I did finish setting it up, so you just like click on it. You'll have a thing to copy, which starts with JSK, which is a secret key that you need to save somewhere safe. And what we're gonna do is go and be in our workflow, grab the trigger which is called when chat received. So trigger chat trigger, which is this one. You go and grab it and put it here. You drag and drop this, which is the AI agent node, which is a simple AI agent node. Uh, there is nothing special about it. And here you click on plus and select Groq chat model. You'll find it here. You just plug it, and here you set up your Groq account, which is here, and you click on set up or create a new credential, and you paste your thing here. So you paste it, you click on save, and it should be already done. And then you can select any type of model. There's a lot of available. There's Llama 3, I really love it. There is also Arabic, TTS. There's something to test, to be honest. I've never tested. I love also the 17B, Llama 3.3. And yeah, there's a bunch of stuff here you can play with. But yeah, there's the GPT OSS. And I suggest you put the temperature at zero point 0.7, which is the best temperature that you can have for maximum effectiveness. So you click on save and click open chat, and voila, this is the AI agent. So, hey there, sup, talk with it, and it will respond. And as you can see, it calls the Groq chat model. Hey, not much, just here and ready to help out. What's up with you? Doing good. Can you become Alex Ramosi? Sales funnel tweak, talk with his tone or voice. I mean, you can have fun with it, and you can even create a public chat, just like this. Posted chat, embed it, and I don't know how to use this, to be honest. I've never used this feature before. Doesn't work. Test chat. Anyways, it's not the subject of this video, but yeah, this is how to actually use GPT OSS in N8N. It is as simple as go to N8N, set up the credential, and put the AI agent flow. There's two ways to do it. You can go the API request way, you can go the Groq way, and you can even do it in the third manner. Sorry, in the third manner, which is this one. I don't think there's a Groq uh, node. Yeah, there is no Groq node, so you need to do it by the HTTP request. So yeah, that's it. Hope it was valuable. So if you like this video, subscribe. And I don't have anything to sell you, and I don't care about selling. Goodbye.